the best brands, the suppliers, meet vendors, meet us, customers.
It's connecting. When you connect the dots with friends and with work colleagues, you connect information. And as we all know, knowledge is king.
There are so many speakers coming from around the world. We had 24, and so many delegates that you can network with. We had 230.
Everybody is here to connect, to share, to exchange knowledge, to exchange opinions and views.
The World Spa and Wellness Convention is critical for me to attend. Coming from beautiful sunny South Africa, I really am a little bit isolated from the rest of the world.
Great opportunity to see new things within the marketplace, meet with suppliers, meet with people who are producing new products and bringing new energy to the industry.
Here we learn, we grow, we literally get inspired.
And when you are looking at, say, developments, or you're looking at expanding, or you're looking at new projects, then the connection back to those industry contacts, those products, brands, the people you linked up with, make the big difference.
You always learn something new here. You always find something interesting, something inspiring, something revolutionary.
So the technology aspect of spa and wellness.
The biohacking modalities.
There's a lot about recruitment and retention.
2 days, get out of your office, because sometimes you can work in your business, but you need also to work on your business. And this is the place where to work on your business, to have fresh ideas, to get back to your office and to your team with.
Or in one house over 2 days. So for me, super efficient.
And it's a perfect setting, so we won't miss it.